In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up an Authenticator app for PayPal account. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable two-step verification on your PayPal account using an Authenticator app instead of using a phone number or email verification code during sign-in. To begin, access your PayPal account using a browser on your computer, phone, or tablet. After signing in, you'll arrive on your PayPal account homepage. The process is very similar for both personal and business PayPal accounts, although the layout may look slightly different depending on the account type you are using. On personal accounts, locate the settings icon near the top right corner of the screen and select it. Inside the settings menu, select Security. In the Security section, look for the option labeled Two-Step Verification. Continue by selecting Setup or Update next to that option. Once the setup page opens, select Use an Authenticator app. PayPal will then display a QR code along with a setup key that can also be entered manually if needed. Next, install and open an Authenticator app on your mobile device. After opening the Authenticator app, continue through the setup screens until you reach the main page where accounts can be added. After the QR code is scanned or the setup key is entered, your PayPal account will appear inside the Authenticator app. The Authenticator app will now begin generating a 6-digit verification code that refreshes automatically every few seconds. Return to the PayPal verification page and enter the current 6-digit code displayed inside the Authenticator app. Make sure the code is entered before it refreshes to the next code. After entering the verification code, select Confirm. PayPal may then ask you to complete an additional identity verification step using a code sent through email or phone verification. Enter the verification code you receive and continue by selecting Submit. Once the setup process is completed, the Authenticator app will appear as the primary verification method connected to your PayPal account. The next time you sign into PayPal, enter your normal login details first. After that, open your Authenticator app, locate your PayPal account inside the app, and enter the current 6-digit code shown on the screen to complete the sign-in process. If the code refreshes before you finish entering it, wait for the next 6-digit code to appear, and then enter the updated code on the PayPal verification page. After the verification is accepted, you'll be signed into your PayPal account using the Authenticator app for two-step verification. And that's how to set up an Authenticator app for a PayPal account. Thank you for watching.